would you say in Greek slang to someone? I fell madly in love with you. Έπαθα πλάκα μαζί σου. So, έπαθα is the past tense of the verb παθαίνω, which means to have a deep experience of something. And plaka, literally, it's a piece of tile. So we're kind of saying that we've been experiencing a tile on us, being hit by a tile, being struck by lightning, something like that. So if you want to say something like along the lines of I fell in love with you, you say μαζί σου. If you want to say with him, you say μαζί του. If you want to say with her, you say μαζί της. So use it wisely. I'll see you on the next video. Γεια σας!